Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. Subscribers appreciated, new viewers subscribe, so you get the recipes like this one. Tonight we're remixing a white Russian. We're doing a salted caramel Russian. First, you have to have a shaker with some ice so we can combine everything. Second, you need a rocks glass. Now I've dressed the rocks glass up with a bit of dulce de leche, just drizzled around the rim. If you don't have this, there's a recipe for it. Otherwise, you can just use caramel sauce, or you don't have to dress the glass. Going in, we've got our salted caramel Baileys. You could also use salted caramel Kahlua. Right in. 1 ounce. Salted caramel vodka, I'm using Stoli. 2 ounce. Cream or milk or half and half, typically half and half. 2 ounces. Make sure it's on tight. You know the drill. Shake for 30 seconds until you get the chill. It's been 30 seconds. Take the pour lid off. Right into our rocks glass. Pour. That's all there is to it, guys. You could maybe garnish this with some caramel or something, but I think it looks good like that. Typically, you don't garnish a white Russian. You know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Ring that bell when you subscribe so you get the alerts. Otherwise, check back for the next video, and as always, take care. Peace.